crazy. Bye. That's so crazy. Hey friends. Ernie's sitting in his spot. We just got back from Ikea. We originally went just to get handles for all the drawers and cabinets. But we picked up a few more things because we were there, so why not? So here's a little Ikea haul. We ended up spending just over $100, but my mom got a few things too, so it wasn't just all mine. First of all, we got this little baby blue cushion. It's an outdoor like seat cushion, but I got it for Ernie because when we go to campsites, he doesn't really like sitting just on like the ground, like the dirt, if there's no grass there. So instead of getting a dog bed, I got this because it has a rubber bottom so it won't get dirty, and since it's an outdoor seat cushion, you can just hose it off, take off the cover, and throw it in the wash that way. So I thought that was a good thing to get. It was $15, and that's so much cheaper than getting a dog bed, and they're the same thing. Then we got white curtains, and I know we're gonna put them at the front of the bus to close up like any of that area when we're sleeping. And then we still have to get curtains for all of these little windows, and then one for the back window. But I think for the back window, I actually have no idea what we're gonna do yet. People ask me questions all the time. When are you doing that for this, for that, for that? I have no idea. Then my mom wanted these little bags, so we got them, and then I just threw the stuff in there because you have to buy Ikea bags. I just got the cheapest set of utensils. I don't know how I'm storing them yet. And then for the drawers and the cabinets, I was gonna do black, and then we were like walking out and the handles were like at the front of the store, and if you've ever been in an Ikea, it's a freaking maze. And I had all the black hardware, and I was like, I hate black hardware. I've never liked black hardware, so why am I getting black hardware? It just seemed like, I don't know, but they didn't have a lot to choose from. These plain little, what are these called? Doorknobs? Cabinet knobs? We went with those, but then we also got, because they were like 50 cents for a pack of 2. And I might use those ones for the drawers. Then for the like cabinet doors, we've got these ones. They're just super plain, and I wanted white because I don't know, black just didn't seem like my style. I don't know how I feel about it. Why is this everything I do? I don't know if I like it. Anytime I do something on this bus and like I'm not 100% sure about it, just look at it and think, it's a freaking bus. This is awesome. It's a bus.
It gets bonded, twisted.
He is coming up from under the bed. Yeah. Little gremlin.
Twist. Okay. Yep.
I'm pretty sure this is giving me cancer.
Horrible.
That's it.
I'm so happy.
We bought a new hatch because ours was leaking. And this stupid hatch was $270. So that's where, like, it's annoying when that kind of stuff costs a lot, because I didn't care. I didn't want a new hatch, but it was leaking, so obviously we needed one.
And what we did is we painted all of the roofing sealant over the old hatch so it wouldn't leak, because it was leaking. So we just have to expose the screw heads.
So why'd we get a new hatch then?
Because it leaked.
It still was leaking.
Yep. Okay, and then totally center it. Comes in. What was that? You're an ass. That's cool.
Time to stand on my ladder and hand my dad things. Wish me luck. I don't have health insurance. This hatch, it's hard to open. That was my first time doing it. I wasn't strong enough yesterday. Yay. Came up for 2 seconds and I sat on the front seat, and look who came to sit on my lap. Yep. So this is new to all of you. We painted everything green, and as much as I like it, if you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen, I just don't think this matches. I'm like not the biggest fan of these, and these aren't put in yet. That's why when people say they look baggy, like they're not in yet. It's so we can still take them off while we're working, and then when we're done working and they won't get dirty, we're gonna put them on tight and nice and stuff them. For the cabinets, I decided blue. I think that this is just a lot more my vibe right now. Like I've always loved the green cabinets, but it's something where I think I would do it like in my house. It almost feels like old lady to me because it's pretty basic now. Like everybody has green cabinets. It's not basic. It's still really cool. I really like green cabinets. I freaking did it. But it's a bus every time anything. It doesn't match the fabric, so we're gonna go with this baby blue. I think it's gonna be a lot more youthful, and then it's a lot easier for me to pick out bedding and other kind of decorations. Plus I'm gonna have a lot of plants in here because, you know, that's my favorite, and that will just be too much green going on. Like the only color I could think to do with all this green would be a white bedding, and I will not do a white bedding with an Ernie in a bus. So that's where we're at right now. If I do this blue color though, with the lime green seats, I feel like I can do my pink bedding that I have in Chicago, and it'll just be a really cute, it'll make the ceiling go better too. I don't know. You guys, we're just gonna paint the cabinets right now. And that's it for this bus video. I ended up painting the cabinets, and I never got the footage of what it looked like afterwards because we had to take it into the shop, the bus, and we thought it was going to be at the shop for like a couple weeks tops, like 2 weeks, and it's been over a month and we still don't have the bus back. A lot of stuff went wrong. I talked about it in one of my old vlogs. I don't really want to bore you guys with the details. But basically, we bought this bus and a lot more is wrong with it than we thought. We've sunk so much money into this project. If you're watching this video thinking about getting a schoolie, like a bus to remodel, honestly, what I'm going to say right now is don't do it. It's not worth everything that's wrong in a bus to get it road ready to drive across the country. Honestly, the best advice I can give is get a freaking RV or get something you can pull. I know that's not as fun, but if you want to do this in a cheap way, pulling something, you don't have to worry about engine and driving and all that kind of stuff. It's just the car you're towing it with. But I don't want to even get into that really. This video was a lot of just the little things that you have to do to get the bus ready, stuff that we were able to do. And I don't even show probably a third of these little projects because they're so boring and tedious. You guys have been asking for a bus update, and this footage is from, I think, like March. So I wanted to just get it out there. The bus should be coming back this week, and I'll be able to film the finishing touches we're doing on it, and then finally a bus tour, and then finally take a trip. It's been almost a year, I think, since we bought the bus, and it's been kind of a nightmare. You guys get to see the fun parts, not the stress. I know a lot of you have been asking where the bus is. You want bus updates. Honestly, me too. My dad called the auto repair shop every day, and they're like, trust me, we want to get rid of this bus too. They're sick of it, so feeling really good. If you didn't see, I came out with merch, not to plug my own stuff, but I'm wearing it anyways. If you guys want to check out my merch, it's just shoplainieozark.com. And if you decide to purchase something, you'll be supporting me and supporting this bus project and getting it done sooner so we can take some freaking trips together. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and hopefully I'll see you soon with a really good, exciting bus update. I love you so much, and I'll see you in a few days. Bye.